Hi everyone, welcome to Breathe Flow Be with Sharron Lynn. I'm Sharron Lynn and I'm an actor, dancer, Broadway performer, and teacher and student of this amazing practice of yoga. Welcome back to all of you joining me again, and welcome to all of you joining me for the first time. It's awesome to have you here. So today we're going to focus on a super easy, more passive approach to a flow. We're just going to do a restorative stretch, which is super awesome if you don't want to exert a lot and you just want to open up the muscles, get the breath going and lengthen, maybe work on a little flexibility. This is a really great session for you. Okay, so just follow along and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start in this cross-legged position. Just take a second to close your eyes just so we can center. Feel your spine nice and stacked. Your shoulders are right over your hips. We're just going to take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose helps to build heat in the body. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Find something to release. Maybe the shoulders drop a little more as you inhale. And exhale. Spine even taller as you inhale. And exhale. Gently open the eyes. You're going to slowly reach the arms all the way up as you inhale. Hands together over your head, and exhale, let the right arm drop all the way down to the side. You're stretching up and over. So as you stretch up and over to the right, you want to feel the opposition of your left hip planting down into the mat. Look towards the mat. Inhale. And exhale. Try to keep the rib cage together. Try not to let it split open. Keep it nice and connected. Look up towards the ceiling. Inhale. And exhale. Gently and with control, using your center to bring you all the way up, hands together overhead. Same thing, other side. Left hand will drip down as you reach up and over to the left. Once again, shoulders down, feeling the right hip pressing down as you reach over to the other side. That nice opposition. Look down to the mat as you inhale. And just let it go as you exhale. Rib cage is connected. Inhale. And exhale. Look up towards the ceiling as you inhale. Really letting the side of the body open up. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Coming up to the center, you're going to walk the left hand over to the right knee and gently just take a twist. Really try to keep your hips nice and square and twist around the spine, not letting your hips go with you. Inhale. And breathe out. Nice long spine. You can use the fingertips in the back to help lengthen your spine. Inhale. Lengthen as you inhale. Twist a little deeper as you exhale. And release. Same thing to the other side. Gently switching over to the other side. Right hand meets the left knee. Left fingertips are down. Inhale as you press into the floor and lengthen the spine. Exhale as you twist a little deeper. So really allow the breath to be your guide. Inhale. We naturally lengthen the spine more when we inhale. And deepen the twist as you exhale. Coming forward, you're going to lengthen the legs in front of you for staff pose. If you need to, you can keep the knees bent. Okay? But you want to feel the heels pressing into the mat. If you're really lengthening the legs, just start off by pressing the fingertips down on both sides of you and letting that assist you in getting the spine even longer. The shoulders are nice and down. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to start to walk our fingertips forward gently, slowly, and with control, letting the spine be long. So we're a little bit more active here. So try not to release just yet. We want to get all the length in first. Let the shoulders fall down before we release up and over the legs. And exhale. One more time. Get as much length as you can out. Inhale. Good. And as you exhale, release up and over the legs. Now, you may need to bend the knees here. All right, if it's too much for you, just listen to your bodies. Give it what it's asking for. Whatever you do, let the top of the head fall down. So try not to hold tension in the neck or in the top of the head. Just let the weight of the head pull you down. Let gravity do most of the work for you. Inhale. And with every exhale, find something to let go. Release a little deeper. Nice. Once more. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do one more. Deep breath in. And release your deepest as you exhale. With control, walk the fingertips back toward you. You're going to bend the right knee and place the right foot to the inside of the left leg, okay? So you can come up towards the thigh. That will be great, all right? Try to open the legs as much as possible without feeling any strain in the inner thighs. You're going to reach the arms all the way up as you breathe in. As you exhale, let the left arm fall down and your palm is in the inside of your left leg. So palm is down. You want the elbow to fall as closely to the mat as possible. If you need to stay up a little higher, and this is where you are, totally fine. But if you have it in you to go a little deeper, really try to look up towards the ceiling. Once again here, feeling the right hip falling down into the mat, feeling that opposition, and the right side of the body is super long. This should feel so yummy. And if it's uncomfortable, like I said, come up a little higher. Just work where you are. It's all good. Inhale. And exhale. Make sure that left heel is planted down. The leg is not rotating out or in. Toes are going directly up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. And release. Good. Walking yourself up. We're going to now stretch towards the leg. So try to keep the hips nice and square. You're going to turn around the spine once more. And then walk your hands toward the toes. So maybe your hands stop right here on your thighs. Maybe you're just below your knee. Try to avoid the knee. Maybe you're on your calf. But if you can reach towards your toes, reach towards your toes. You're going to lengthen the spine as you inhale. And as you exhale, you fold up and over. So you're really trying to take the upper body up and over the knee. And try not to let that hip lift like I just did. I just had to self-correct. Let the hip fall down. Release the head. Let the head be heavy. And now you're feeling a deep stretch in the lower back, and it feels so doggone good. Just release. Let the shoulders fall down away from the ears. Breathe in. And breathe out a little deeper. Fall down. One more breath in. And out. Slowly walk your hands back up towards you. And we're going to gently just switch to the other side, okay? So you can use your hands for support if you need to. Gently lengthen the right leg out. Bring the left leg in. Connect the inside of the left foot towards the right leg. Make sure those right toes are going up towards the ceiling. You're not rotating out or in. Nice and even. Your hips are planted. We reach our arms up and we let our right arm drip down, palm facing towards the ceiling, and we stretch. Keep the left hip down, same as the other side, looking up towards the ceiling. Really trying to rotate the chest up towards the ceiling, opening up the chest. Inhale. And at the same time, we want to try not to arch in the lower spine. So honestly, that's really hard to do, but that's why we call it a practice, because we keep working at it. Shoulders are down. Inhale. And exhale. One more breath in. And out. Gently coming up. Turn towards your right leg. One hand on each side of the leg. Once again, keeping the shoulders square. Walk your hands towards your foot. Be where you are. Maybe you're on your thigh. Maybe you can go a little deeper this side than you did the other side. Sometimes, you know, it varies. So just honor where you are. Reach toward the toes or towards your calf and just release up and over the leg. And let everything fall nice and heavy. And if there's a part of the body that is super, super tight, send the breath there. So if you think in your mind that, okay, my lower back is tight, let me consciously send the breath there. It really helps that part of the body to release. Last breath in here. And breathe out. Nice. Really release the top of the head. Walking the hands back towards you. We're gonna take a nice twist here. So keep the left knee bent. Go ahead and cross the right foot over the left knee. All right. So if this is too much and not accessible to you, you can also lengthen the left leg in front of you. That's an option. You can bring the foot a little bit further down. All right. So that's a modification if you need it. I'm going to go ahead and keep the left knee bent. Okay. So bend the knee. You want to cross the right foot as far over as you can. Make sure the hips are nice and square. The right fingertips are like this, like little tentacles, and they press down. You're going to lift the left arm up and bring the knee in towards your chest as you twist around to the right side. So you're really trying to open up the chest here. Twisting around the spine, feeling the opposition of the hips, trying to stay square. And then try to look over your shoulder if you can. And breathing. Inhale to sit a little higher. Exhale as we twist a little deeper. Nice, guys. Mark yourself back forward. Switching over to the other side. So once again, if you need to keep the right leg straight, do it. We're crossing the left leg over. I'm going to bend my right knee. Left fingertips are down behind you. Right arm is up. Give the left knee a nice squeeze into the chest as you lengthen for your inhale. And you're going to twist for your exhale. Nice. Breathe in, nice and long back of the neck. And exhale. I always feel so regal when I do this pose. Inhale. And exhale. All right. Release your legs in front of you. We're going to roll down to the mat. Go ahead and grab the back of your thighs. And just gently allow yourself to roll down with control and a little bit of support here. And bring your knees into your chest. Give them a nice squeeze. You can rock side to side, releasing the hips. Nice. So cross your right ankle over your left knee. Okay, so we're going to thread the needle, reaching in between the legs. So you can either grab the back of the hamstring or you can grab the shin, whatever feels good. Really try to keep the hips down and inhale. Exhale, you're going to pull the legs a little closer to you. So you want to feel that right knee gently pushing away from you and everything else coming towards you. Inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and flex the right foot. Inhale. And exhale. Pull your legs a little closer to you. Super gentle here. Now we're going to switch to the other side. Unravel the legs. Go ahead and lengthen both legs up. And then bring the right leg down. Left ankle crosses over right knee. Thread the needle. Grab your hamstring or your shin. Flex the left foot. Inhale. And exhale as you get a little bit deeper. Really opening up the hips here. And inhale. And we go deeper with every exhale. Nice, you guys. So calming. Lengthen the legs. We're going to end here with a happy baby. So bring your knees into your chest. You're going to open your feet and you bring your arms to the inside of your knees and the outsides of your feet. Okay? So all we're doing here is grabbing the outside of the feet and gently pulling down. We can rock side to side. Breathing here, allowing the hips to release for 3. And 2, find some stillness. And 1. Bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself one last squeeze here. And then release into a Shavasana. Just take a second to find some stillness. We'll do 3 rounds of breath here. Breathe in. And release. So we're completely passive now. We're not holding on to anything. We're not stretching anything. We're just allowing gravity to do its thing. We're releasing everything into the mat. Inhale. And breathe out. Last time, find something to let go. Inhale. And breathe out. Nice work, you guys. Stay here as long as you need to. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me. That completes our restorative stretch session. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to breathe, flow, be, and if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, everyone, peace.